BodBot AI Trainer Review. Can it replace a real coach? Today I tested it out and here's what happened and whether this AI trainer can actually guide you well enough to improve your workouts without needing a personal coach in your daily routine. Right from the start, BodBot builds a plan around you. Once you open the app, it asks about your goals, fitness level, and available equipment, then creates a workout plan tailored to your situation. This removes the guesswork so you always know exactly what to do each day without jumping between random routines. As you follow the workouts, each exercise comes with simple instructions and visuals, making it easy to understand even for beginners. You log your sets, repetitions, and difficulty, and that feedback is what the app uses to adjust your future sessions. Instead of staying the same, your plan keeps evolving based on how you perform. One of its strongest features is how it adapts over time. If you're progressing well, it gradually increases the difficulty. If something feels too hard, it adjusts so you don't get stuck or discouraged. It also spaces out your workouts to avoid overtraining, helping you stay consistent without burning out. However, it still has limits compared to a real coach. It can't see your form or correct mistakes in real time, so you need to stay mindful while exercising. A human trainer can guide you more directly, especially for technique and motivation. That said, the convenience is hard to beat. You can train anytime, anywhere without scheduling sessions. For beginners, it simplifies everything by giving a clear, structured plan. For more experienced users, it helps maintain consistency and track progress easily. It delivers a guided system that focuses on structure and improvement. While it doesn't fully replace a real coach, it covers the essentials well enough to keep you on track, especially if you want a flexible and easy to follow workout plan.